The next property of metals is the malleability. Malleability is the property of metals by which a metal can be beaten into thin sheets on hammering or pressing under the roller. So, when the rolling machine is allowed to compress the metals, it can be beaten into thin sheets. So, it is the property of metal by which it can be drawn into thin sheets, beaten into thin sheets on hammering. So, this property of metal is called malleability. Malleability means the ability to be drawn into thin sheets on hammering. Metals except sodium and potassium, they cannot be drawn into thin sheets because these two metals are so soft and tender that their sheets cannot be durable, it cannot be very functional. So, they are exceptions to the general property of malleability and ductility. Now, conductivity. Next property is conductivity. Conductivity. Metals are good conductors of heat as well as electricity. Means when metals are allowed to come in contact with heating object, heating a device, then the heat can be transferred from one end of the metallic body to the other end by the process of conduction. So, metals are good conductor of heat. Next, metals are good conductor of electricity also. When a metallic wire or the metallic body is allowed to fixed with between the two terminals of a battery or the source of electricity, and it is observed that current will pass through the metallic wire or the metallic body. It means metals conduct electricity. The electricity is conducted in metals by the process of the transfer of most loosely held electrons present in the outermost orbit of the atoms of the metals by the movement of electrons from one terminal to the other terminal. So, the electric charge carriers in the metals are nothing but the free electrons. Metals have free electrons. They are mobile or labile. So, these labile electrons are responsible for conducting current or the electric charge through the metallic body. The most conducting material means metals is the silver. Silver is the most electrically conducting element, means metals. Next to the silver, it is copper, aluminum and so on. So, these metals are used to draw wire as well as carrying current through the conductor or these wires. It is the property of metals by which electric supply or mains supply is possible or become possible, that is transferring the electric current from the point of generation to the distribution system, and it has happened due to the property of metals, that is electrical conductivity of metals. So, these are the main features of the metals. Thank you very much. We will discuss about the properties of nonmetals in the next video.